YouTube. Welcome to the breakdown. To the breakdown. About to break down this trade that I took. Not today, but yesterday on USD JPY. Took a small loss, but hey, the small loss was actually better, better outcome that I could have, had I held on to the trade. So I cut my losses short today. I mean, yesterday. And let's just go ahead and get right into it. So this was a very wise decision of myself. In my plan, I explicitly stated that hey, if I mess up or if I see later down the line after the fact, after I've already gotten into the trade, I see that I messed up. I see that I did something that was not according to my plan. Just go ahead and get out. And in doing that, it actually saved me big time. You know what I'm saying? So let's break it down. And this is so powerful because it's like you gotta think about it like this. Like, yeah, we're here to make money, but you know what I'm saying? If things go wrong, if things don't go according to plan, hey, ain't nothing wrong with aborting mission as long as it's stated in your plan to abort mission, right? And in doing that, instead of losing, because I risked 1% on this trade, might have been a little bit less. Yeah, because I risked 1% on this trade instead of losing that full 1%, I lost, you know what I'm saying, less than that. So, hey, that's a positive for me. And I hope y'all, you know what I'm saying, that's something that y'all can definitely add into y'all toolbox. But anyway, let's go ahead. So the USD JPY, everything was telling me to sell at the moment, structure, lower lows and lower highs, MACDs, I'm at the MAs and the MACD, everything saying we bearish. So okay, cool. So I I come in and just put it right there. I come in and I think it was a 5 second entry. Entered on the 5 second time frame. Price had got to this level that I identified, as we can see, my little yellow rectangle. Price got there, which I wanted it to, and then it gave me some entry confirmations. But but it didn't play out exactly how it was supposed to, according to my plan. Oh man, this thing is lagging. All right, cool. So we're here now. So yeah, price got to my level. I wanted it to break outside my trend line, and then once it did that, I'm looking to enter. But in doing this, I actually was not on the correct time frame, which that's a different conversation. When I have to be on these correct time frames when I enter. I was on the incorrect time frame, so I'm entering. I'm already in the trade. And I'm looking at it. I'm like, this just looks a little bit off. So I zoom into here, and I see that this area right here, and I see I'm like, oh my goodness, this is not the correct time frame. My MAs have crossed. I go to the correct time frame. I'm like, I should not have entered. Let me go ahead and get out. And the old me would have said, let me just hold it. Let me figure out. Let me wait till I get the break even. Let me you know what I'm saying? Let me just I've already taken the risk. Let me hold on to the trade. And as we can see, price, went well above the stop loss. So it just wasn't ready to go down at the time. So this is how I cut my losses. I cut my losses short, you know what I'm saying? As time had progressed, I'm like, okay, this ain't it. Went ahead and got out. I put it in my notes. I gotta take the screenshot, put it in my trading journal. But I said exit close for small loss. I was an improper time frame, incorrect time frame. So hey, that's how that happened. And you know, I consider it a good day. I didn't make anything, but I also didn't lose the full amount what I was about to lose. So it was a good day for me, you know what I'm saying? And I followed my plan. Again, like a part of my plan says that hey, if you figure out that something is incorrect, go ahead and get out of there. So I followed my plan. I might have not followed it initially. Yes, that's correct. But then as soon as I noticed it, go ahead and get up out of there. And that's my breakdown for USD JPY. I thought it was gonna sell. It didn't continue selling. It wasn't ready to sell yet. Um, even though I was already in, I went ahead and cut the losses short. And as a consistently disciplined, profitable trader does, and then I got on up out of there. And that was my day. And my opportunity that I end up taking on USD JPY. So hey, hopefully I got something from it because hey, it's nuggets, it's gems, and all the stuff that I do. And a long, long time ago I wouldn't do it. But if y'all know what I'm saying, if y'all are catching on to this stuff and catching on to it fast and just, you know what I'm saying, taking this wisdom and running with it, oh my goodness, y'all gonna be so far ahead. But y'all stay blessed by the best. God always.